Imagine if the Titanic could have steered clear of disaster, or if people in tsunami-prone areas had personal unsinkable pods to keep them safe. This video showcases innovative inventions that have the potential to save countless lives. You'll discover a personal flood capsule, a fireproof suit, a safety bed, firefighting drones, and more. Want to see how we'll manage to survive in the coming years? Make sure to watch this video all the way through. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Car Window Breaker Wrist Strap. The Car Window Breaker Wrist Strap is a discreet yet powerful emergency escape tool designed to be worn on the wrist like a bracelet, making it easily accessible in critical moments. Built with a durable tungsten bead, this strap is capable of shattering tempered safety glass with a firm strike, providing a quick exit during vehicle emergencies such as accidents, flooding, or fire. Unlike bulky car escape tools, its minimalist design ensures you always have it on hand without adding clutter to your vehicle. This model, AHK3, also features a concealed handcuff key, adding an extra layer of utility for personal security and emergency preparedness. Lightweight, discreet, and highly practical, the Car Window Breaker Wrist Strap combines everyday wearability with life-saving functionality, making it an essential accessory for drivers, travelers, and safety-conscious individuals. Product 2. Product name Safety Plus 4G Medical Alert System. The Safety Plus 4G Medical Alert System is a reliable personal safety solution designed to provide peace of mind for seniors, individuals with medical conditions, and their families. Equipped with fall detection technology, GPS location tracking, and 24/7 professional monitoring, this system ensures that help is always available at the press of a button. Its lightweight, wearable panic button can be carried as a necklace or wristband, making it discreet and easy to use in emergencies. The wireless call button connects instantly over a secure 4G network, allowing for rapid communication with monitoring professionals. Additionally, the mobile caregiver app provides real-time updates, enabling family members to stay connected and informed about their loved one's safety. Combining portability, advanced monitoring features, and user-friendly design, the Safety Plus 4G Medical Alert System offers dependable protection both at home and on the go. Product 3. Product name Landair C54 GPS Tracker. The Landair C54 GPS Tracker is a compact and reliable real-time tracking device designed for personal, vehicle, or asset monitoring. Made in the USA from domestic and imported parts, it emphasizes durability and accuracy in performance. This tracker is built with a strong internal magnet for easy attachment, a waterproof housing for all-weather use, and global tracking capability, making it suitable for both local and international monitoring needs. Its long-lasting rechargeable battery ensures extended operation between charges, while the discreet size allows for hidden placement. To access its full suite of features, including live GPS tracking and historical playback, a subscription plan is required. This makes the Landair C54 an ideal solution for individuals, families, and businesses seeking dependable tracking security with simple setup and robust functionality. Product 4. Product name Ting Fire Prevention Sensor. The Ting Fire Prevention Sensor and Service is an innovative safety solution designed to protect residential properties from hidden electrical fire hazards. Unlike standard smoke detectors that only react after a fire has started, Ting works proactively by continuously monitoring a home's electrical network for early warning signs of arc faults, power fluctuations, or other anomalies that can lead to dangerous fires. The compact sensor is easy to install, typically plugging into a standard wall outlet, and connects to a companion mobile app for real-time alerts and monitoring. Along with the device, Ting provides a 12-month subscription service that includes expert analysis of detected issues, guidance on corrective actions, and even support in working with local utilities or electricians to resolve potential risks. This service-oriented approach not only enhances home safety but also delivers peace of mind by addressing threats before they escalate. Designed exclusively for residential use, Ting is a preventative fire safety system that combines smart technology with professional oversight. Product 5. Product name NTR Water Rescue Throw Bag. The NTR Water Rescue Throw Bag with 50, 70, 98 feet of rope is a vital piece of safety equipment designed for kayaking, rafting, and boating adventures, ensuring preparedness in emergency situations on the water. Built with a durable 3/10-inch rope rated to withstand a tensile strength of 1,844 pounds, this throw bag offers reliability when rescuing swimmers or securing boats in fast-moving currents. The bag is compact and easy to throw, making it highly effective as a throwable rescue device. Available in multiple rope lengths, 50, 70, or 98 feet, it provides versatility depending on water conditions and activity needs. Essential for anyone engaging in rafting, kayaking, or other water sports, the NTR throw bag enhances safety by giving paddlers and boaters a dependable lifeline in critical moments. Product 6. Product name Cardiomobile 6L. The Cardiomobile 6L 6-lead personal EKG monitor is a compact, doctor-recommended health device designed for individuals who want advanced heart monitoring from the comfort of their home. Unlike single-lead devices, the 6L offers a 6-lead EKG, providing more detailed insights into heart activity for detecting conditions such as atrial fibrillation, AFib, and other arrhythmias. It connects seamlessly with a smartphone to deliver fast, clinically accurate results that can be easily shared with healthcare providers. Portable and user-friendly, this device is FSA, HSA eligible, making it an accessible option for proactive heart health management. Product 7. Product name PeakFlow Towable Tube. The PeakFlow Towable Tube for boating is designed for families and thrill seekers who want a fun and safe water sports experience. Built with a heavy-duty 840D nylon cover and a 30-gauge PVC liner, this Horizon-style towable tube provides excellent durability and resistance against wear from waves and towing. Its sofa-style design offers a comfortable and secure ride, allowing up to 3 riders to enjoy the excitement together. With reinforced handles and a stable build, it ensures both fun and safety during high-speed water activities. Whether for relaxing cruises or action-packed rides, the PeakFlow Towable Tube combines comfort, strength, and versatility for an unforgettable time on the water. Product 8. Product name LifeVac Home Kit. The LifeVac Home Kit is an essential addition to any household safety setup, designed to provide peace of mind during choking emergencies. This portable suction rescue device is engineered for both children and adults, offering a quick and effective solution when standard choking first aid techniques such as back blows or the Heimlich maneuver are unsuccessful. Compact and easy to use, the LifeVac does not require batteries or a power source, making it reliable in urgent situations. Its simple design allows even non-medical individuals to operate it effectively, providing a crucial backup tool in critical moments. Lightweight and portable, it can be kept at home, in the car, or taken while traveling, ensuring readiness wherever emergencies may arise. The LifeVac Home Kit emphasizes family safety by equipping households with a practical, life-saving first aid device. Product 9. Product name SafeCastle Emergency Fire Blanket. The SAFECASTLE Emergency Fire Blanket is a reliable and practical fire safety tool designed for quick response in case of unexpected fire hazards. Measuring 59 inches by 59 inches, this large-sized blanket provides ample coverage to smother flames effectively, whether used on small household fires or wrapped around a person for protection. This set includes for fire blankets, for hooks, and for protective gloves, making it convenient to store in multiple locations such as the kitchen, garage, office, vehicle, or camping gear. Constructed with fire-retardant fiberglass material and equipped with fireproof tabs, the blankets are easy to deploy in emergencies, requiring no complicated instructions or maintenance. Unlike fire extinguishers, they leave no mess and can be reused if not damaged. Compact, portable, and highly effective, the SAFECASTLE Emergency Fire Blanket is an essential survival and safety accessory for homes, workplaces, and outdoor adventures, offering peace of mind and added protection against fire-related emergencies. Product 10. Product name Onyx M16 Manual Inflatable Belt Pack. The Onyx M16 Manual Inflatable Belt Pack is a compact, low-profile personal flotation device designed for safety and convenience on the water. U.S. Coast Guard approved, this belt pack is suitable for users aged 16 and older, weighing over 80 pounds. Its manual inflation mechanism allows for quick activation when needed, while its slim, unobtrusive design ensures comfort and freedom of movement, making it ideal for boating, kayaking, or other water activities where mobility is essential. The Onyx M16 combines reliable flotation with a discreet, wearable design, providing peace of mind without sacrificing functionality. Product 11. Product name Kent Clear Storage Bag. The Absolute Outdoor Kent Clear Storage Bag is a practical and organized solution for storing life jackets, specifically designed to hold Type 2 life jackets with a capacity of 4 adult-sized jackets in bright orange. Crafted for durability and ease of use, this clear storage bag allows quick visual identification of contents, ensuring fast access in outdoor or water safety settings. Its transparent design, combined with sturdy construction, makes it ideal for boating, kayaking, or other water activities, keeping life jackets neatly stored, ventilated, and ready for immediate use. This bag simplifies both storage and transport, making safety equipment management effortless and efficient. Product 12. Product name 20/28-inch Foam Life Preserver Ring. The 20/28-inch Foam Life Preserver Ring is a reliable and essential safety device designed for boating and water activities. Constructed with durable foam, this life preserver ring provides excellent buoyancy and is equipped with a 98.4-foot floating life-saving rope, making it easy to throw and retrieve in emergency situations. Its throwable design ensures quick and effective response to overboard incidents, enhancing overall boat safety. Suitable for a range of watercraft, this flotation device is a practical and dependable addition to any marine safety kit, helping to protect passengers and improve rescue readiness on the water. Product 13. Product name NOCO Genius GEN5X2. The NOCO Genius GEN5X2 2-bank is a versatile and high-performance battery charger designed to keep multiple vehicles or marine batteries fully charged and maintained. With a total output of 10A, 5A per bank, it simultaneously services two 12V batteries, making it ideal for boats, RVs, motorcycles, cars, or other vehicles requiring reliable dual battery charging. Engineered for both lead-acid and lithium batteries, this charger features advanced overcharge protection and temperature compensation, ensuring safe and efficient charging in any environment. Its waterproof design makes it particularly suitable for marine applications, while onboard installation ensures convenience and continuous battery health monitoring. The NOCO GEN5X2 combines durability, versatility, and smart technology, providing a reliable solution for maintaining multiple batteries with ease and confidence. Product 14. Product name Amazon Basics Emergency Seat Belt Cutter. The Amazon Basics Emergency Seat Belt Cutter and Window Hammer Tool, Model SW835, is a compact, dual-function safety device designed to assist in vehicle emergencies. This 2-in-1 tool combines a seat belt cutter and a window breaker, making it a practical addition to any car emergency kit. Key features: dual functionality, equipped with a sharp blade for cutting through seat belts and a hard tungsten metal double-head hammer for breaking car windows. This combination allows for quick escape in emergencies. Ergonomic design, the bright orange plastic handle provides a secure grip, ensuring ease of use during stressful situations. Safety and storage, comes with a protective bracket for safe storage, allowing it to be conveniently placed in the center console or driver's side door pocket for easy access. Durability, the tool's construction is designed to withstand the rigors of emergency situations, ensuring reliability when needed most. Product 15. Product name Air Horn. The Air Horn 1.4 ounces, 4 PCs, is a compact yet powerful tool designed for a variety of high-decibel signaling needs. Each mini horn delivers a loud, attention-grabbing blast, making it ideal for safety purposes on boats, during outdoor activities, or in emergency situations. Beyond safety, it doubles as a fun and energetic accessory for sports events, race starts, or celebratory moments, letting you mark victories with a clear, audible signal. Its small, portable design ensures easy storage and transport, while the compressed canisters guarantee consistent performance with every use. The set comes in a vibrant red, adding visibility and style to functionality. Product 16. Product name Automatic Blood Pressure Wrist Cuff. The ever-ready first aid fully automatic blood pressure wrist cuff is a sleek, wearable health monitoring device designed for convenient home use. Shaped like a stylish wristwatch, this monitor provides quick and accurate readings of blood pressure and pulse, making it ideal for daily tracking and managing cardiovascular health. Its fully automatic operation ensures ease of use. Simply strap it on, press a button, and receive reliable results without the need for manual adjustments. Lightweight and portable, it is perfect for seniors, busy adults, or anyone looking to monitor their health on the go. The device comes in an attractive pink finish and includes batteries, allowing immediate use right out of the box. Its compact design makes it discreet, comfortable, and ideal for continuous monitoring in the comfort of your home. Product 17. Product name 20 PSI High Pressure Smart SUP Air Pump. The 20 PSI High Pressure Smart SUP Air Pump is a cutting-edge, rechargeable, battery-powered pump designed for fast and efficient inflation of stand-up paddle boards, surf kites, tents, and other inflatable gear. The 2025 model features intelligent dual-stage inflation, allowing for quick high-pressure pumping while maintaining safety and precision. Its auto-off function ensures the pump stops automatically once the desired pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. Lightweight and portable, this smart pump combines convenience with power, making it an essential companion for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable, high-pressure inflation on the go. Product 18. Product name POM Pepper Spray Pocket Clip. The POM Pepper Spray Pocket Clip is a compact and tactical self-defense tool designed for everyday carry. Featuring a quick flip-top safety mechanism, it ensures fast and reliable access in emergency situations. The spray contains a maximum strength OC formula enhanced with UV marking dye, allowing for identification of an assailant if necessary. Its compact design makes it convenient to attach to pockets, belts, or bags, while still delivering 25 bursts with an effective 10-foot range. Containing 0.5 fluid ounces, this pepper spray combines portability, safety, and power, making it an essential personal protection accessory. Product 19. Product name Foldable Cane. The foldable cane is a versatile mobility aid designed for seniors and individuals with arthritis or leg injuries, combining practicality, safety, and comfort. This cane features a 6-level height adjustment to ensure a perfect fit for users of different statures, and its decompression T-handle offers ergonomic support to reduce hand and wrist strain. Equipped with a built-in LED light and alarm function, it enhances safety during nighttime use or in emergency situations. The cane is USB rechargeable, making it convenient to power both the light and alarm without frequent battery replacements. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and portability, making it ideal for travel or daily use. Suitable for both men and women, this cane is a modern solution for maintaining independence while ensuring stability and confidence in movement.